Bro, how long did it take you to build this truck?
Working on it for a couple of years.
This thing is so massive, it's hard to tell how big this truck really is. I mean, it's like, to me, it's bigger than a tractor trailer almost. Oh, they like it. Bro, it's so cool how the suspension just acts on this thing. I feel like it could take a big ass jump. All right, let's put it in perspective. Look, pull up next to this truck here. This is how high this truck is. I mean, wait, really? Fuck yeah. Oh shit.
You got for a second. Look at that gear swap pedal. That's in two-wheel drive. Hey, I think I got some stretch on that.
Yeah, hell yeah. Look at.
Here's third.
Oh yeah.
Here's third right there.
Yep.
First, second, there was third.
Damn. What size tires are on this thing?
46-inch dog.
46s. How much suspension
15
travel?
inches wide.
Dude, you won't hit that. You won't hit that field right there.
Huh?
Hold that pull down real quick. We might get in trouble for that one. Dude, you can literally take down everyone's mailbox on the entire street.
Oh, you wouldn't even know. Like, what was that?
That bitch is getting it, bro. Oh, it's running a lot better than it did, man.
Now we gotta go get some road data.
Road data. This is how you dyno a mud truck. Seat of the pants tuning here. It likes being on the limiter. That was a good one. We got squirrely on that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It gets around pretty good.
Thanks for the ride, sir. Appreciate you.